Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Guys, everyone, I'm finding less strength. Why, sir? Okay. Yesterday I was talking about what, guys? Spring Boot security. Yes or no, na? We developed one bank operation controller class based MVC application. In that one, four handler methods are taken. Slash for home page, slash offers for offers page, slash balance for balance page, slash loan approve for loan approval page. I allowed everyone to use loan approval page. Everyone to use loan approval page without authentication and authorization, right? I allowed everyone to use loan authentication page without any authentication and authorization. Permit all. Offers page only authentication, right? Balance page authentication plus authorization has any role, customer or manager. Loan approval page authentication plus authorization, but must have manager role, guys. Must and should have manager role. How we did these configurations? We developed one security config class extending from what? Web security configure after. In that one, two configure method. First configure method for what? First configure method for what? What is the purpose, guys? Authentication info provider, right? First configure method for authentication info provider. At the rate configuration enable security. Security config extends from this class, guys. First configure method for authentication info provider. Second configure method for what purpose, guys? Okay, these authentication and authorization enablings, guys. First, we discussed basic authentication, which makes browser to use its own dialog box for asking username password. Then we configured our custom page for access denied, guys. Custom page for access denied, right, boss? Okay. Custom page for access denied. Is that clear, guys? Yeah, then we understood limitations of basic model. Dialog box is browser specific, guys. And we cannot add certain features like logout, remember me, session max account, all this stuff, guys. For that one, we should go for form login. As part of form login, we have seen fixed form given by what? Spring Security application, asking username, password. And there we have added logout, guys. Whenever you want, you can log out. Okay, default URL for logout filter is what? Logout. No, sir, I want to have my own choice URL for logout filter. Then you can change like this. End logout, logout request matcher, new end path request matcher, sign out. What's the benefit of that? No extra benefit, guys. No extra benefit. Okay. Instead of logout, you can use sign out, guys. That means you can get some grip on. Okay, guys. You can get some grip on. Anyone practice yesterday's application, guys? You can get some grip on. You can get some grip on URL, boss. Apart from that, behavior-wise, no change, guys. Behavior-wise, no change. Okay. Next feature is very, very interesting feature, guys. I want to get control on number of concurrent logins by same user. Number of concurrent logins by same user. Okay, have you ever worked with Amazon Prime account, Netflix account? Have you ever worked with Amazon Prime account, Netflix account? Yeah. At a time with the same username, how many logins are possible in Amazon Prime? I think they allow 5 people. I think they allow 5 people. Yes. Netflix based on the plan you take, guys. Netflix based on the plan you take. Netflix, we cannot. Yeah, boss. I want to get same effect here, guys. And log out request matcher, new ant path request matcher. Yes, boss. So I think this is our workspace, guys. What is our workspace? Which workspace we are dealing with? Yesterday, what is the workspace we have taken? 911. We are working with the 911 workspace. Yes, boss. Yeah, now voice break. Little voice break will come. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Yes, my dear. Okay, now come back. Go to security configuration class, guys. Here is my security configuration class. Where is that? Security config class, boss. security config class, guys. Okay. Now tell me here, end logout na? Yeah, end logout or before logout. Anywhere. Order is not so important. End dot, end dot. What is the one? What is the one? Session management, maximum sessions to. What is this? And session management. This is the one, guys. And session management, maximum sessions to. Session management. Okay, guys. What's the error? Create method end. Array, end is there na, boss. Oh, cha. Here dot is missing. I understood. End session management. End dot session management. Dot max sessions. Each user I want to allow 2 sessions, guys. Okay. Tell me next one. Max sessions. Well, that is already there. Max session prevents login. Yes. If max sessions are over, prevents login. Don't allow login, guys. Don't allow login. Yes, my dear. After that, what next? Max session prevents login. Max session prevents login. And 1 minute. Okay. And logout is not allowing like this. Okay. I'll put this one as because after this method, no method to chain, guys. No method can participate in the chain. So that's why make sure that that is always there at the end. Okay, this is also not allowing. Check it out. End is not allowing. Okay. So what we do is I'll make sure that this is always in the end, boss. This is always in the end. Okay. Semicolon, guys. Max sessions prevents login. True. Max sessions prevent login. True, guys. Yeah, we did not try remember me. Remember me is having one headache. I will tell. We'll try. I'll tell the problem. Okay. One by one now, my dear. Why are you exciting? I don't know really. Don't you have patience of me showing one by one? Okay. Run on Java application, guys. Run as Java application, guys. Yes, my dear. Okay. Now this let's go for testing, guys. Let's go for testing. I'll go by Raja user, guys. What is that? 4041 offer space Raja Rani. One login is over for Raja. That's good. Okay. Let's take same Raja in another browser, or you can take another tab also, not a issue. Another tab also you can take, not a issue. Say paste. Offers, guys. Again, I'm typing Raja here, Rani here. Okay, second login is over for Raja. Second login is over for Raja. Yes, came boss. Okay, wait a minute. Now I'm opening the third browser. Say paste. Offers page, guys. Enter key. Okay. Try to have third login for Raja. I hope changes are taken nicely. Click on sign in. Okay. Click on sign in. Not now. Maximum sessions of 2 for this principal. Principal means username. Exceeded. Exceeded. Got it, guys? In uh, in Netflix also we got the same error. See, big feature. Big feature is coming just like that. Implementing this one in Servlet JSP is quite headache process. Implementing this in quite Servlet JSP is quite headache process. What do you say, guys? Big things are coming just like that. Okay, it should be always last line, guys. Always place last line in the method chaining. Okay, let me add that statement, guys. Always place as a last line in the method chaining. Place it as what is that? Place this line as last line in the method chaining. Place it as last line in the method chaining, guys. That's it, boss. Sir, what is the option of remember me, guys? Below the form page, form login page, you will get below the form login page, you will get what is that? You will get one checkbox to select, guys. Once you select it, what happens? If you close the browser without sign out, and if we face the URL, you will take back to old page. You will take back to old page without asking sign in again. Without asking signing. Without remember me option. See the story. See the story once. See the process once. http://4041. That's good. Here is my offer space, guys. That's even good. Okay. Please sign in, guys. Oh. Please sign in. I have not closed this user, sir. There I have not closed the browsers, na boss. I have not signed out. I just closed the browsers, right? Okay, 1 minute. What's the solution for this problem? Once you stop the application, all sessions will be invalidated or run as a Java application. Close all editors, guys. Run as Java application freshly, guys. Okay, come here. I'll use the same user, guys. 4041. Offer space. Raja Rani. Click on sign in. It's coming. It's coming, boss. Keep the page in with you. Close the without sign out, close the browser. Close the browser. Again, open it, guys. Paste it. It is again asking to sign in now. It is again asking me to sign in. Okay, now listen. In my Facebook, I selected remember me option. Today, I bookmarked one URL of file space. Is it asking me to sign in? Is it asking me to sign in? Check it out again. Gmail, is it asking me to sign in? Though I'm pasting the URL in the browser address bar. Facebook, is it asking me to sign in? Not. Why? Any guesses? Because there I have selected remember me option, right? Anil Kumar, I want to log out automatically when user close the browser. Indirectly, that is not log out. Anil Kumar, that is not possible. Nowhere that is possible. Without sign out, no log out will happen. Please. In Gmail, do you think it's possible? In Gmail, it is possible. Okay. Session will expire automatically when it is idle. Session expires automatically when it is idle, right? Okay, listen, Dell, I want to answer your question, but I'm not answering your question. Why? Because you logged in with the device name. You log in with the real name, then I will answer your question. Those who are asking question by having device names, computer name, nickname, Pavan Kalyan, Modi, this kind of names, Dhoni. Sorry, don't expect answer, don't ask questions. When you don't reveal your identity, why should we answer? Right, boss. Now listen. Okay, guys. Tell me, guys. So when I close the browser and paste the same URL in the same browser, again it is asking me to log in now. Again it is asking me to log in. But when I open my Facebook page, which is bookmarked, it is asking to log in. When I open Gmail inbox page, which is bookmarked, is it asking me to log in, guys? Is it asking me to log in, guys? No. That means their remember me option is enabled or not. Okay. Listen, guys. Listen, guys. In recent version, remember me is not working properly. Let's try once. Let's try once. Okay. Recent version. That's not problem from my side. It's a bug in the code. It's a bug in the code only. Okay. Last 1, 2 batches, I got some problem to enable remember me option. But I will try for you people. Don't worry. Okay. Dot end remember me. Dot end remember me. Okay, fine, boss. So now I'm running the same application with remember me option. Okay, on safe side, I'm saying project clean. On safe side, I'm saying project clean only. On safe side, I'm saying server clean also. I'm saying server clean also, guys. Okay, let's come back to the application. Run as a Java application. Yes, boss, we got it. Open it. 4041. Home page, guys. This Raja Rani. I selected remember me option. Raja Rani, I selected remember me option. Yeah, this is the problem that is coming nowadays, guys. When I select remember me option, it is failing in the login. It is failing in the login. It's a bug in the Spring Security, guys. Maybe they may solve in the coming days. They may solve in the coming days. I struggled a lot to solve it. Okay, guys. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay, guys. It's a bug in the technology. Don't worry about that. It's a bug in the technology. As of now, it's a bug. See, guys, when I select it, I'm getting error. I don't select it, not a problem. I don't select it, not a problem. So remember, my option is not basically working good, guys. Not basically working good. Okay, guys. Now let's stick to some internals, guys. Internals of session management. Sir, whenever you log in, session will be created between browser and web application. Session will be created between. Yeah. Whenever I log in successfully, guys. Okay. It creates a session internally. How it creates the session? HTTP session SES request dot get session or session is equal to request dot get session true. Okay. After login, once the login is successful, I'm trying to access offer space. Okay. Then its session has to be continued. Existing session has to be continued. To access the existing session without creating the new session, SES is equal to request dot get session false. Request dot get session false. Right, boss? Perfect. To stop or invalidate the session. Array, whenever I click on logout button, whenever I click on logout button, session dot invalidate. What is that, guys? Session dot invalidate. It is going to invalidate the session. Okay, guys. Sometimes session expires automatically after certain amount of period. Sometimes session expires automatically after certain amount of period. If session is continuously idle, session is continuously inactive for certain amount of time, guys. In that situation, we have to use session dot set max inactive interval 20. Session dot set max inactive interval 20. 20 minutes, default is 30 minutes, guys. Right now, I have not set it. That is 30 minutes. If session is continuously inactive for 30 minutes, guys, the session will be inactivated. The session will be inactivated and automatically it will be redirected to login page. Whenever session. Okay. Okay, guys. Are you understanding my statement? Are all these are internally servlet code only, Ra Babu? Whenever we do those things in Spring Security, internally servlet code only execute. This is to create new session when login is successful. This is to access existing session. This is to access existing session. And this is when logout is used internally, this line is used. And tell me, guys, If nothing is specified, default session expiry ideal timeout period is what? 30 minutes. If you want, you can reduce it. If you want, you can reduce it. Got it? Super. So let's get into a new topic, a new session, session 3, where we improvise bit, guys. Spring Boot security 2 only we improvise, guys. Don't worry. Anti-matchers in Spring Boot security. Array, while writing these expressions, I have used anti-matchers. While writing these URLs to link with permissions, authorization permission, I have used what? I have used anti-matchers. I said anti-matchers are there to specify some kind of expressions. Yes or no? Na? Yeah. In Spring Boot security application, every URL, nothing but request path of handler method, must be configured with security using permit all. Using permit all. No authentication, no authorization. No authentication, no authorization. Permit all or authenticated or has role or has any role. For this, we need to use anti-matcher concept in security config class. What concept we should use, guys? Anti-matcher concept in security config class. Case 1. Anti-matcher for multi-path, guys. Listen carefully. Register account, register. Delete a customer, delete. Update customer, update. What is the global path? Customer. Global path is customer, this one, this one. Okay. If you go for old style, what happened? Every time I should say customer slash register, customer slash delete. Suppose for all the 3 URLs, you want to apply the same condition. You want to apply the same thing. Tell me. To match with multi-level path, we can give slash path star star. What guys? Slash path star star like slash customer star star in AND matcher. Are you getting my point there, guys? I want reply, guys. Spring Boot security application every URL. Tell me. To match multi-level path, path star star node. Multi-level path is like customer slash register, customer slash delete, customer slash update, register ABC, update type, all this stuff, guys. Anti-matcher slash customer star star as role manager. Only manager role authenticated user can access web pages whose URL starts with slash customer and contains multi-path. Is it not interesting, Rababu? Is it not interesting, guys? That's the case one. Instead of writing multiple times. Anti-matcher for single level path, guys. Post mapping, register customer, register product, register faculty. No global path. No global path. What is the common word? Register is the common word, right? Yeah, you can write like this. We can give anti-matcher using path star pattern. Anti-matcher register star as any role, manager, comma, custom. Matches with register customer, register product, register faculty. Listen carefully. Register star, right? Multiple URLs can be given in single anti-matcher expression. See guys, version 1. Anti-matcher save as role manager, update as role manager, delete as role manager. Here is my version, improved code of version 1. Anti-matcher save, update, delete as role manager. Instead of writing 3 lines, you can finish off in single line. Instead of writing 3 lines, you can finish off in single line. Are you getting my point, guys? Yeah. Next one. Leftover request URL can be identified and mapped using any request expression. If all of them configured, guys, whatever left you want to apply common condition. Whatever left you want to apply common condition. Then what should I do? See, guys, save, update, delete, report, upload, download, paging, info about us. How many are there? Year 5, year 3, 4, 9 are there. Hand matcher save update with customer role, report upload download with manager role, any request authenticated. Represents the leftover URLs like paging, about us, info. Represents the leftover URLs like paging, about us, and info. Paging, about us, and info. Clear, my dear? Yeah, that is ant matchers, guys. Ant matchers is there to write some expressions, and that expressions are very useful while linking. Those expressions are very useful while linking what? URLs with authentication and authorization. Authentication and authorization. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay. Are path. Manoj Pradhan, parameters also you can include, no problem. But see, parameters, values you can include, not the parameters, right? Parameter values you can include, not the parameters. You know that. Parameters are for our representation, right, guys? Okay. Done, boss. Then what is next one? So far we are using in-memory DB. That too, password we are taking as no op. No, sir, I want to have real encoded password. I want to have real encoded password. What to do for that one? Yes. You can do encoding of password separately. Whatever generated, you can paste in the in-memory DB. Whatever generated, you can paste in the in-memory DB, right? Okay, guys, tell me. No-op password indicates password is not encoded indirectly. It says no-op encoder is used. Used to encode the password. Initial Spring Security used to allow not encoded password. Later it stopped allowing them. So to pass non-encoded password, we need to use no-op. We can use different encoders like etc. to encode the password. Bcrypt encoder, base64, SHA512, MD5 encoder. Lot of encoders are there. We can use them, guys. If you don't use no-op expression, no-op password encoder, then we need to encode the password as shown below. We need to encode the password as shown below. Check it out, guys. Separate class with main method. Created object for bcrypt encoder, guys. Bcrypt encoder. Pass all the password. Print all the encoded password. Encoder dot encode by creating object for bcrypt encoder. And this password you have to place in the place of. This password you have to place in the place of what? This password you have to place in the place of encoded password. Clear, my dear? This password you have to place in the place of what? Password place in the first configure method. Where, guys? Simply in the first configure method. Is that clear, my dear? Got the point, guys? Super, boss. Yeah. Let's see, my dear. Okay, first of all, I will take a class with main method. Because I don't disturb this, I'll take a separate class with main method in separate package. Or you can take in other project also. That's not an issue. Okay, this should not disturb this one, encoders. Nowhere related to current project, guys. Only to get encoded password I'm doing. Encoders. Right click, new class. What is this? Password encoder. Password encoder. Right. What is there? Main method. What is there, guys? Main method, right? Yeah. Main method, guys. Tell me. Bcrypt encoder. What is the class name we got, guys? Bcrypt encoder. Just B capital. Bcrypt encoder. Encoder is equal to new bcrypt encoder of. Yeah, tell me. String PWD1 is equal to encoder dot encode Raja. PWD2, guys, PWD3. Here is what? Array, what are the passwords I have taken, boss? Tell me. First password Rani, second password Hyderabad, third password Delhi, if I am not wrong. Fourth password I have taken as what? Four users I have added. Fourth password I have taken as what? Okay, I think Vizag. Vizag I have taken, right? Sysout, PWD1, PWD2, PWD3, Sysout, PWD4. PWD1, PWD2, PWD4. Okay. Just run this class, guys, nothing else. Just run this class, nothing else. Run as Java application. Total, how many passwords have come? 4 passwords have come. Collect them, guys, collected. Collect them, guys, collected. Go to security config class, guys. Gone to security config class. Comment this existing one, guys, commented. Comment this existing one, guys, commented. Say paste. They are also pasted. Okay, wait, Rabo. Again, collect the code, my dear. Collect the code, my dear, right, boss? Yeah, where password is there I am placing it, guys. Cut it. Paste it. Cut it. Paste it. Again, cut it. Paste it. Everywhere you paste the same, huh? Ayo. I pasted same everywhere. Okay, what is there in that? Second one you take, guys. Cut it. Paste it. Happy? Again, cut it. Paste it. Last one, guys. Cut it. Save this one, guys. Right click. Run as Java application. Run as Java application, guys. Enter key was. See, guys, after having encoded password, application is working or not. Raja, I'm typing normal Rani only. Click on sign in. What's the error? 500 error is coming. Why so? 500 error is coming. Why so, guys? Yeah. See, if you place encoded password, not enough. You should tell I'm going to use this password, this encoder. You should tell I'm going to use this encoder, guys. This is very important. Before in-memory dot password encoder of new bcrypt password encoder. Of new bcrypt password encoder, right? Yes, guys. Tell me, guys. Dot password encoder. Tell me, guys. New bcrypt password encoder. Dot with new user. Dot with username password. And every line is indeed independent line. Na? So that's why we should copy paste. We must copy paste, guys. Say paste. We must copy paste, guys. Paste. We must copy paste, guys. Paste. Yeah, you must specify encoder, guys. Anyhow, we are not using remember me option. It's not working properly. So let's not disturb the code flow. I'm commenting this. Go to this place, guys. Run as Java application, boss. Go to this place, guys. Run as Java application. 4041 Raja Rani. Click on sign. Raja Rani. Now it is taking encoded password nicely. Balance space. It is taking encoded password or not? Right, boss. Is that clear, my dear? Is that clear? Run the application. Note. Always recommended to work with encode password to manage password in the strong encryption. Do I need to encode password manually as shown in the above program? No, guys. So in real projects, what they do? Array, there will be separate process of user sign-in activity, sign-up activity, user registration activity. As part of user registration activity, we will collect his details. As part of that, we'll ask him to choose the password. We'll ask him to confirm the password. He will type the password in normal text format only. Very simple. In service class, before calling repo.save method, we take the support of encryptor, encode the password. Whatever password generated after encoded, that we will save in the DB table. Okay, we do this work as part of user registration activity. We do this work as part of sign up activity, guys. We do this work as part of sign up activity. Got it, guys? We do this work as part of sign up activity. What activity, guys? We do this work as part of sign up activity. Sign up activity. Convinced, my dear? Is it not interesting, Babu? Is it not interesting, Babu? I want reply. So don't think that you are going to do that work manually. If you are in the feeling that you are going to do that work manually, it's a complex, right? What's the use of encrypted password? Are security, Babu. Security. Which encoder? Bcrypt is industry standard. Bcrypt is industry standard. Yeah, definitely not. As part of user registration logic, we include we include having our choice logic, our choice encoder to get encoded password for the given password, and they will be saved into DB table. They will be saved to DB table. I hope you got it. Or I have a user registration form, guys. They are asked many details, including password, confirm password. All of them came to service class in the form of entity class object. Before calling repo.save method, I make normal password as encoded password, and I'll save encoded password in DB table. So I'm going to do manually, guys. Am I going to do manually, guys? No. Okay, I will include as part of user registration, guys. I'll include that activity as part of user registration. Are you getting my point, my dear? Super boss. Okay. Okay, everyone, please focus. Last topic of the day. Every time it will be same. Why it will be same? Why? I said user registration. Every user, new password, new descriptor. Okay. Alright, we have a classes to decrypt also. If you are interested, you can decrypt. See, internal application is you are getting the correct password means it is decrypting only, na? Application is decrypting means definitely it is using decryptor, right? But we don't tell now which encryptor we use. When we don't tell which encryptor we use, no question of losing the copter. Yeah, working with JDBC authentication that uses Spring JDBC based database software as authentication info provider. As authentication info provider, right, boss? Okay. So I'm taking two tables, guys. One table maintaining username, password, status. Status means what? Enable, disable kind of thing, guys. Enable, disable kind of thing. 1 minute. I think I can show that. I can show one small thing before going further, guys. Before going further, actually, in memory authentication also, I can show how to log the how to disable certain user for certain temporarily. So, for example, visitor Raja user only you take, guys. Here I will say disabled true. What is there, guys? Disabled or locked. Locked is not there. Account locked true. Account locked true. Okay, now I locked the user now, boss. Here I locked the user now, boss. Yeah. Right click, run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application. Semicolon forgot. Okay. Forgot to keep semicolon. That's it, guys. No problem. Save this one. Why red color? Okay, let it be, guys. Sometimes you'll get errors like this only, don't worry. When no errors are there, also it will show errors, guys. Don't do. Come to this, guys. 4041 offers page. Raja Rani, you observe this, account is locked. Okay. To bring the same effect at the database level, guys. To bring the same effect at the database level, what I'm trying to use, guys? Username, password, status. 0 means locked, 1 means enable. See, what is the size? 1 only. What is the size? 1 only, guys. User I am maintaining separately. User roles I am maintaining separately. Okay, here I taken uname as the primary key. Here I have taken uname as the primary key, guys. Got it? Okay, then what? Role and uname. Role and uname. And uname, on the second uname, guys, foreign key column pointing to this primary key column. Tell me, what is the first table? Parent table what? Uname, password, status. Okay, uname, primary key column. This is parent table, guys. This is a parent table. Very simple, guys. Nothing great. Parent DB table. Parent DB table. Second one, child DB table. Role uname. Role uname. References uname enable. So foreign key column is taken, guys. Child DB table. Yeah, this is, you know this. This entire story is on what, guys? This entire story is on foreign key column. FK column creation. FK column, guys. Foreign key column. Parent DB table. Okay. Parent DB table, guys. This is my parent DB table. This is my child DB table, guys. Okay. Now let me keep the encoded passwords only. We don't want to use normal password. Okay. Here is my SQL developer, guys. Here is my SQL developer. Meanwhile, I don't want to take a same project, guys. I want to take a different project here. Where is this? What's the project number, guys? Security pros 1. Copy paste. No in-memory DB, guys. What is this? Okay, DB. DB as auth provider. Auth provider. DB as authentication provider. Yeah. When you copy paste thing, you know that you have to copy this, right click, properties, web project settings, say paste, apply, okay. Yeah. I think we got the database one, guys. Connection one. System tiger, tiger is the password. System tiger is the password. System tiger is the password. Here are my tables now, boss. What is the first table, guys? Users. Users table. Luckily, already there, guys. Only data have to change. Yeah, these Tarun, Mahesh, all these are not there. Raja is there. Okay, I think some records are not there. Okay, fine. Next, what is the second one? Users underscore roles, guys. Here I have given roles to the users. Roles to the users. Right, boss. Okay, go to users table. Raja. Okay, I don't think it is Rani or not. So that's why I remove Rani, boss. Okay. I remove Rani. Come to this place, guys. Come to this place. I think a Raja password is Rani. I'm right now pasting through manual process, but this encoded password will come dynamically. You know that. Say paste. Make sure that no extra spaces are there. Enabled user. Now this Raja is a enabled user, guys. Yeah. Next, Mahesh is there. Mahesh password is what, guys? Mahesh is there. Mahesh password is what? Why is that? Mahesh is there. Mahesh password is Vizag, guys. Say refresh, boss. Mahesh is there. Mahesh password is this. Next one. Suresh is there. I will add a new entry, guys. What is there? Suresh. Suresh password is this. Okay. First one, Rajesha. Rajesh. Rajesh is there. Okay. Rajesh is there. Say refresh. Say yes. Why it is not committing? It should commit now, boss. What's happening? I'll tell. Maybe here roles should be added. Raja, customer role. Yeah, Rajesh is having what role, guys? Manager role. Rajesh is having manager role. Next, Suresh is having enter key plus symbol, guys. Suresh is having two roles, guys. Suresh is having two roles. Next, what is last one we got? Raja, Rajesh, Suresh. No, Mahesh is having two roles. Suresh is having visitor role. I understood. Okay, Suresh is having visitor role. Here is my what? Mahesh. Here is what? Mahesh. Refresh, guys. I don't know what's happening, guys, here. They are confirmed or not? How to feel they are confirmed or not? Now, 1 minute. Save the changes. Fail to save the changes. Do you want to close anyway? Why it is failed to save the changes, guys? Any reason? I'm clicking on commit symbol only, Rabav. Is it commit the changes? Commit the changes. Hey, what's happening, guys? Commit the changes. Role side error is there. How come role side error is there? Refresh. Changes are done. Commit them, guys. Eh, why it is wasting my time like this? Customer Raja, manager Rajesh. Integrity constraint. Parent key not found. Integrity constraint. Parent key not found, guys. But now everything is found now. Now everything should found, right? Now everything is perfectly there. Why it is not coming? Initially not there, you got error. I understood, guys. Integrity constraint. Child record not found. Child record not found. Yeah, what is that? Mahesh and Suresh, child record is not found. Mahesh and Suresh are there, but it is still saying not there. Okay, maybe not saved. Because of not saved, it is saying like that. Okay. Okay, leave it, guys. Leave it, leave it. We'll do freshly, guys. Yeah, anyhow, I want to close it, guys. Anyhow, I want to close it because I cannot fight with this one for a long time, right? Yeah, users, guys, data tab. Yeah, user roles, guys, this one. Yeah, first of all, what I do is Mahesh, customer manager, Raja, customer. Okay, here is what Suresh, guys. Suresh is there. Add one more thing. Add one more thing. Manager Rajesh. Manager Rajesh, guys. Save. Manager Rajesh. Okay, guys. Open it. Go to users tab. Here is my data. Raja Rani. Okay. I don't know what is there in the Mahesh. I don't know what is there in the Mahesh, guys. Mahesh is here. Okay. Mahesh password is this. Mahesh password is this, guys. Mahesh password is Raja Rani, guys. Okay, Raja Rani is okay, fine. Rajesh password is this. Suresh. This is Suresh Pass. Very bad, guys. Not able to insert the data. This is very bad, right? Oh, what's happening, guys? Why it is saying child records not found? Why it is saying child records not found, guys? Declare uname as primary key. Already primary key, Rabo. I declared uname as primary key. Already uname is primary key, right? No, in child uname is just foreign key, guys. In the child uname is foreign key, nothing else. In the child uname is foreign key, nothing else. Really, I'm surprised, guys, why it is behaving like this. Not able to add the new data. I don't know why. Okay. Fine, boss. What I do is 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll go to it its way. I'll go to its way, guys. Whatever things are there, we use that one only. Whatever things are there. User, already some data is there. I'm assuming this is Raja. And VE, Mahesh VE. Here VE is there for what? Okay. VE means what, guys? Mahesh Delhi, Delhi. Mahesh Delhi. Okay. Tarun. Tarun is having what? Tarun is having what? Okay. Fine. Tarun, you leave it. Anyhow, I locked that user. Tarun, I locked that user, guys. Okay, fine. User underscore roles will adjust with existing roles only, existing thing only. Okay, database is ready, guys. Fine, no problem. So let's not fight with that. We'll adjust with existing one, right? New table creation, it takes time, guys. You do at home. You do at home, guys. Tell me. Close, stop the application. Okay. Close the editors. That's good. So we got a new project. We got a new project. Tables are ready, guys. Tell me next one. Add JDBC API and Oracle starters, guys. We have to add extra starters, boss. Why? Because we want to use them. We want to use them. Yeah, where is that? Where is that? Yeah. Right click, Spring, add starters, add starters. Okay, now we cannot add because I changed the version. So since I changed the version, I cannot add like that. But can I add like this? Can I add like this? MVN repository. I have given them also. Spring Boot Starter JDBC and Oracle JDBC 11. Spring Boot Starter JDBC, Oracle JDBC 11. Okay. mvnrepository.com, guys. Spring Boot Starter JDBC. Spring Boot Starter JDBC, guys. 3.31, guys. Tell me here. Copy this, paste it. Version not required. Version will be decided dynamic. Next, OJDBC 11, boss. What's the next one? OJDBC 11. OJDBC 11, guys. Here is my Oracle, guys. OJDBC 11. Which version? Did I mention version there? Okay. You just mentioned OJDBC 11 starter. Let me match meeting ID. com.arikil.database.jd. Jars are added. Okay. Go to resources folder. Application.properties. Data source configuration. Spring.data source dot driver hyphen class. Spring.data source dot URL. JDBC colon Arakil colon thin colon @ localhost colon 1521 colon X. Spring.data source dot username system. Spring.data source dot password manager. Password manager, guys. I have to add in next project. Okay, it's my mistake then. Cut it. Let's close everything. Yeah, this kind of mistakes it happens here very regularly. Second one is what? DB as authentication provider, Java resources. This one, paste. I hope I opened I added starters in this pom.xml only. I added starters in this pom.xml only, right? That's a bad part. That's a bad part, right? That's a really bad part. Really bad part, guys. बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होते हैं. Yes, guys. Okay. Cut it. Not save also. Cut it. Not even copy, guys. Go to pom.xml, my dear. Come to dependency section, guys. Okay. Done. So don't dare to open anything of previous project, guys. Close it. Next, inject data source to security config class, guys. Array, for connectivity, we need data source na boss. Everyone, please give me 5 minutes. Security config, guys. Perform even update, right? Perform even update. I'm injecting this private data source. DS. @auto. Private data source DS. @auto. Clear, my dear? Super. Now tell me. I'm commenting all this stuff. I'm commenting all this stuff, guys. Tell me. AUTH dot JDBC authentication dot password encoder dot bcrypt encoder of new bcrypt encoder of. Yeah, now try to get it, guys. Users by username. This is for query for authentication, guys. Users by username. Users by username. Select uname, password, role from users, where uname is equal to question mark. Columns not fixed, guys. Whatever columns you have taken based on that. Select uname password status from users where uname is equal to question mark. This is to get the given username password details based on the form login username, guys. Authorities by username. Authorities by username query. Select uname role from user underscore roles where uname is equal to question. Authorities by username. Select first what is their uname? A uname comma role, guys. First uname comma role from tell me from user underscore roles, guys. From what underscore user underscore roles where uname is equal to question. Where uname is equal to question. Users by username query, authorities by username query. Everyone getting my point was super boss, super. This is my security config class na boss. Use them for authentication, use this query for authorization. But one small change, guys, observe very carefully. Every time I generally do this mistake, has any authority, not the role. Because here authority is by username na. Okay, has any authority, remaining everything you keep as it is, not the role, guys. Has any authority I have to use. This mistake generally happens from my side, guys. But today I remembered somehow, remembered and claiming it. Actually, meaning is same, compiled and but here I used authorities. Na? Here also you have to use the method authorities. Here also I have to use the method authorities. Okay, guys. And you don't believe, with that you can run the application. But this time it will verify collecting from what? Database. Why? Did I keep in-memory DB in the first configure method? Did I use in-memory BDB, guys? Did I keep any in-memory DB, guys? No. Okay, let's rename the project, guys. Let's rename the file to DB to DB authentication. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Run as Java application. It is saying that data source is not configured. How come? Localhost spell mistake. Localhost spell mistake. Right. I corrected it now, boss. I corrected it now. Right click. Still data source is having issue. That means changes are taken or not taken. Password is wrong. What is the password I have taken, guys? Tiger only, na? Oh, I typed manager. Okay, fine. I understood. Password is tiger. Clean, guys. Right click, run on Java application. Hey, data source is not ready. Why? Come on. Why? Why, boss? Beam type data source not found. Data source is not coming. Why it is not coming, Rabab? Let me clean the project, guys. Let me clean the project, my dear. Let me perform even update also once. Update the project. Maybe jars might be not recognized. Jars might be not recognized. Yes. Right click, run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application. This time injection is done smoothly, boss. No problem. Regular 4041 homepage has come. This is not great, guys. Okay, asking username, password. There in the old data, in the new data also, Rani is the password. Click on sign in. Click on sign in. What is the problem? Cannot invoke JDBC template because return value of JDBC template is null. Return value of JDBC template is null, guys. What's happening, guys? What's happening? What's happening? Return value of JDBC user manager dot get template is null. JDBC user manager dot get template is null. Okay, guys. Look at the 1 minute. Look at security config class. Yeah, it should be status, guys. It should be status. Our column is status, na boss. Column is status. It's not the role. In the table, what is there? Status is there, right? Users. Look at the data. Status is the column. Status is the column, right? Yeah, that's the one thing. Everything is learning experience, Rababu. Don't worry. Right click, run on Java application. Run on Java application, guys. Okay. Don't leave until it works. Offers page, guys. Raja Rani. Raja Rani. Okay. Yeah, I think changes are not taken, bros. I know changes are not taken. So let's clean the project once. Let's clean the project once. Let's update the project, guys. Let's update the project. Even update project. Any other problems, guys? Any other issues? Users by users, guys. Second query is right now. Users underscore roles or user roles? Users underscore roles. Okay. Good observation. Users underscore roles, guys. When you want to move the things fastly, things will go slowly, guys. Table name is users underscore roles. Right click, run as a Java application. Cool, 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 Natraz, cool. Open this, guys. Acha, the people who are leaving, please listen, guys. The people who are leaving, please listen. Tomorrow evening, no regular classes. Again, common topic at 7 p.m. Again, common topic at 7 p.m. Clear? Okay. Again, common topic at 7 p.m. Clear, my dear? I changed role to status here. Changed role to status. Second query, authorities by username query. Authorities by username query, their role is role only, right? 4041 guys, offers page guys, Raja this. Hey, what's happening, boss? Raja is the username, Rani is the password. Why it is saying null, 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 null? It is feeling it's a null. It's feeling it's a null. Okay. Tomorrow morning regular classes are as usual, guys. Morning classes are as usual. Morning classes are as usual. Okay. 1 minute. I'll just restart the ID. One last attempt. Otherwise, tomorrow in next class I will solve it, guys. Oh. Context path is not required, guys. I'll upload the notes. Krishna Singh, in form login page, there is a method online only, completely online. Tomorrow morning, online classes only. Tomorrow morning, also online classes only. Tomorrow, entire day online. Spring Boot Security next class will be tomorrow at 7 p.m. Tomorrow at 7 p.m. Tomorrow morning, regular classes are there as usually. This class continuation, last session, session 4. Session 4. No holiday tomorrow, please. Why tomorrow holiday? Why do you need holiday tomorrow? Username is not wrong or right. That is a secondary, boss. Problem is what? It is giving exception. Did you notice that? Yeah, I restarted ID. I want to see ID taking the latest code. I want to see ID taking the latest code. Tomorrow evening, no regular classes, only one common topic. That is Spring Boot Security last session. Last session. Farhan, whole day is there a dirty fellow. Whole Sunday is there a dirty fellow. That's why I call you dirty fellow, you know. What you will do whole Sunday? You'll do dances. Talk something sensible, Rababu. Talk something sensible, Farhan. Why are you making me angry? What you will do entire day? So what? You are there in Israel. So why am I bothered about that? Why am I bothered about that? Don't have common sense. Class won't run for one person. Right click, guys. Run as a Java application. Don't become that self-centric person. Okay. Tell me, guys, what is there in this? Yeah, we'll 4041 offer space Raja Rani. JDBC details manager get JDBC template is equal to null. Get JDBC template is equal to null, guys. Okay, I think 1 minute. 1 minute in JDBC authentication. It's my mistake, Rama. Use brain. In JDBC authentication, I have to pass DS na. Otherwise, how does it knows, Ra? It has to use. It has to use the data source. We injected data source. Somewhere we have to pass na. Yeah, in a hurry burry, we have not passed data source, Ra Naina. Data source DS. Understood, guys? Yeah, this is the one problem with the method chaining. It looks like we passed it, but we have not passed it. Now problem is solved, guys. Earlier what is saying, I'm not able to get JDBC template object, which represent a database connectivity. Now it works. Now definitely it should work. Refresh. Okay. Sign in, guys. Sign in. Come on. Offer space. Coming. Balance space. Coming. Loan approval page. Authorization failed. Balance page. Coming. Home, guys. I'm able to sign out. Sign out, guys. Are you sure you want to sign out? I'll give wrong password. Hyderabad. Bad credentials. I'm taking Mahesh. One small mistake made everything wrong. Delhi. I hope Delhi is there in there also. Yeah, we got it. Delhi. Mahesh. Offer space. Home. Balance page. Home. Loan approval page. Coming. Home. Okay. Sign out. Right. Are you sure you want to sign out? It's working, boss. It's working, boss. Come on. Abhishek, you are not telling to me. Fine, guys. With this 2-point X security is over. Tomorrow I'm going to discuss 3-point X security. 3-point X security. 3-point X security. Tomorrow, this class continuation is 7 p.m. Otherwise, one minute. Yeah, let it be. Tomorrow, this class continuation is 7 p.m. Morning sessions are scheduled back. Morning sessions are scheduled back to regular timings. Will it work multiple having same username password? Yes, what definitely it works. Tomorrow evening 7 p.m. this class continuation, guys. Morning sessions are as usually scheduled. Which one is used? Maintenance project 2.x, latest project 3.x. Thank you.